My name is Moses Sakuna. I am the Deputy Principal of Greyview Academy. The Director of the Academy has offered a scholarship for those who are academically talented, those who have the capacity to proceed and do wonderful things, but financially have some financial problems. So as a school, we are really giving an opportunity for those who want to prosper but don't have the financial capacity to continue with their education. There is a provision of accommodation for those who have 10 points and below. And the scholarship is a full scholarship in terms of fees, in terms of food, but there may only be an additional aspect of stationery which could be provided by the guardian or the parents. There is also an opportunity for those who have prospered up to A level. They can also be in a position to get some scholarships to go for further education, either in Zimbabwe or outside Zimbabwe, through the work that we have been done by the director and the other partners. We thank you so much. We will just wishing you to come and work together with us so that we'll be in a position to transform the world. Thank you.